Good day. My name is Malkabi Ayudtod. I am 38 years old. I am a single mother with one son. He's 9-year old already. We take care of my mother in our province. I am a high school graduate. I live in Baybay Picarangan, Tubod, Lanao del Norte, in Mindanao. I have 4 years experience, 4 years and 6 months experience as a domestic helper in the Middle East. I work in Qatar for 2 years, last 2019 to 2021. My main duty there was to take care of an infant, 8-month old, and 2 years old baby. I understand that babies need patience, attention, cleanliness, and careful supervision. I prepared also their food, helped with bathing and changing clothes, keep them safe and clean, and look after their daily needs. I am patient and careful when taking care of them. And then I went to Kuwait for 2 years, last 2023 to 2025. My main duty there was cooking. I cook biryani, makluba, kabsa, and sometimes if what they want me to cook, I will cook if what they are requested. And I also do cleaning, iron, washing clothes, and do household duties. I am hardworking, patient, honest, responsible, and willing to learn. I am ready to work in Romania, and I will do my best to take care of my future employer and home, and do adapt to a new environment. Thank you.